Hey friend, how are you today? I hope you're having a great day. Today's video is just a very quick unboxing of a bag that I picked up from Bloomingdale's and I got it on sale. This one retails for $2.98. So I got it, I don't know if it was quite 50% off, but almost. And then there was of course Ebates, so there were some extra discounts and stuff that I ended up getting. But here it is. So it's still in the package. You might be able to tell from that right there what that is. Okay, so this is the McGraw, Tory Burch McGraw camera bag, and it has that really cute double T there. I really like that. This is in the color Claret or Claret. I'm going to take some of the stuff off here so we can look at it a little bit more in detail, and I'm going to give you also the measurements. This is interesting. I'm not sure that I've ever seen a bag come this way. So this side of the strap was curled up like this, so wrapped all the way around, and I guess this is just one end of it. So here's the one end with the holes, and I guess the buckle side is over here, I hope. Yeah, here's the buckle part. That is so interesting that they ship it like that. Got it buckled there. So you can see that both sides have this really pretty chain link detail, and it's kind of like almost like a matte or a brushed gold. It's not a super shiny gold, which I like actually. The pull tab is a really long pull tab, so that's nice. And then let me take the stuff out of the inside so we can see that. So here's the dust bag. So the interior has this kind of just cotton textile. On one side there is a slip pocket, and that's it, so nothing else. The bottom does not have feet. This is pebbled leather. There is a little pocket there in the back. That's not a magnetic pocket, but I believe your phone would fit in there. The only thing about it is if you left your phone in there for too long, it would probably make a indentation, so you'd probably be able to see that. I like the tassels on the side. Okay, so they are removable. You can see it's tied in a knot there, but I'm not sure if that would end up getting caught, because if you see, let me turn it around here. There's the link for this side, okay, of the strap, and you see that the little D-ring, see the D-ring is right there. It's not going all the way up, so this would be the way it would go up when you hold the bag, like from the strap, right? So over here, see the D-ring goes up. I mean, that's just how things work. But the way it's tied now, it's not gonna do that. So I might have to untie it and see if I can figure out how to make that D-ring go up with it. Because if not, when you hold the bag by the strap, the tassels are gonna just go straight out like that. I'm gonna go ahead and take the tassel off and see how it looks. Here's the tassel, so it comes, you know, one on each end. So I'm not sure what I would have to do with that, because I'm gonna have to play with that, but see how now it goes up just like it should, right? I like tassels, but I don't want them to mess up the functionality of the bag, you know what I mean? We'll see about that. Another thing is when the bag is closed, so this is closed, you can see the little tab goes out like this. When it's open, same thing. If that's an issue, I guess you could just tuck it on the inside, like if you don't care if your bag is closed or not. I would say the zipper is okay. Definitely not the best. Definitely not a Michael Kors zipper. We know that Michael Kors has, to me, has excellent zippers. It's not like a super smooth zipper. Let me give you the dimensions of the bag. It's 6 inches in height. It is 8 inches in length, and then 2.2 inches in depth. Just looking at the Tory Burch website, it says it does fit phone sizes up to the iPhone 11 Pro, the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. I don't know how big the 11 Pro is. I have the 8 Plus, and I'm thinking it will fit in there. This is my case here. I'm gonna stick it in there and show you that it will fit. So it fits right down in there, and it may fit. Let's see if it fits in that back pocket on the back side there. So in the inside it will fit, and then I'll try on the very back pocket. Of course, I have a pop socket on my phone, So it does fit, but like I said, there's the round pop socket right there, so it would definitely start showing an indentation. I mean, you could turn it around like that, but depending on how much you have it, how long you have it in there, it might show the indentation there as well. I'm going to show you a couple of items just to see if they fit in here and kind of how bulky it'll be. So this is the Coach corner zip wallet. This is the, I guess, the new model you would call it. I know a lot of us have the Coach corner zip pouch. I'm not sure what what this is called, to be honest. Put those two things in there. I stood the wallet up. I thought that if you stand it up, you're going to get a little bit more room on the other side. I have the wallet standing, and then here is the corner zip little pouch thing. And then of course you could put your phone in there probably. I don't really have anything else. I've got bags and stuff, but a lot of my SLGs are in another room. It closes just fine. Like I said, with the way I've done this, there's a lot of extra room right here. So if you have a smaller phone, you could potentially just stand it up in there. There's my case. So it definitely won't work that way. Sunglasses would fit in there, of course, hand sanitizer, a mask, gloves, whatever. Oh, a key pouch, like the key clay or something like that, that would definitely fit down in there. So you can fit a few things in there. I would say the opening doesn't open super duper wide, even though it does come down here on either side, but it's not a super duper wide opening. So for me, that's a little disappointing because I don't like to struggle to get things out of my bag, but that's just something to be aware of if you're thinking about it. I also have this wallet. So this is the Coach, I can never remember the names of these, but Coach definitely has these still on their website. I'll link all of this stuff if I can find it down below for you, so you can check it out if you're interested. This will definitely fit, which is cool. So I still have that little corner zip pouch there and that wallet, and that's a good size wallet. Now I wanted to show you guys just a little bit of a comparison. This is a Michael Kors bag, and this is the large East-West crossbody. It's called the Poly, P-O-L-L-Y bag. This one is not leather, okay? This is a nylon, and you can see I haven't used it yet. So this is the same sort of thing, right? It's not exactly a camera bag. I think camera bags are maybe supposed to be a little bit smaller. Here is what they look like. So how much smaller the Tory Burch bag is in relation to the Michael Kors bag. It's quite a bit of a difference. I'd say they're about the same. The Michael Kors might be a little bit wider there, but there's definitely a bigger difference. Now this one doesn't have a pocket on the back side. I believe because it's this material, I mean, look how wide I can open this bag. You know, you have a lot of room there, plus you have a slip pocket there on that side and a slip pocket on the other side. So much more can fit in this bag, and it's not very expensive. This bag is $108, and that's the retail price, and you know you can find it somewhere for much cheaper. I believe I paid $164 if I haven't already said that, and it retails for $298. I may have said $268 earlier, but $298. First impressions, I would say that I'm not totally impressed with this bag. I do love how it looks. I love the double T logo there and the stitching down the middle there. I like that it has a back pocket. I do like that it has tassels, but I don't like that they're not super functional tassels. They kind of get in the way, so I don't really like that. You can see that zipper's not the best. Let me zip this one. Right? Such a difference. So one thing to be aware of too, and I think this is an issue with a lot of camera bags, so just something to think about. Because of where D-rings are there, like if you have, you know, you're in your car or whatever and you pick your bag up, it's gonna kind of sometimes flip over like that because of where that D-ring is. Now I've heard that that's an issue with the Gucci Soho Disco, that it does that, and people really hate that, and I can see that that would, I don't know, not be an issue, but if you have stuff in the back pocket here, maybe papers or whatever, there might be an issue with the things falling out of it. I don't see anything wrong with this bag. There's nothing wrong with the bag. There are no issues. I don't know how many times I've said in my reviews and unboxings and stuff that I need functionality in bags. So we'll see. I'm gonna have to think about this one. It's a cute little bag to size down and have a nice looking bag. And if you really love Tory Burch, this might be the bag for you. For me, I don't necessarily care. Yes, I love Coach. Yes, I love Michael Kors. I love Tory Burch. I love Louis Vuitton. But I'll also go to Target and find a bag. If I like a bag, I like it. I don't care if it has a name brand. So I don't believe in paying a lot for a bag if it's not going to be a good choice for me in my lifestyle. Do you know what I mean? So I don't know, I may send this one back. Let me know what your thoughts are on that. So cute, but I don't want to waste money on something that I really won't use. But that's it. I hope you found this review helpful in unboxing, helpful, and I hope you're having a great day. Thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll talk to you soon.